Good evening, and welcome to tonight's European market breakdown. I'm joined live from our macro desk, and we're starting with a look at the general sentiment across European markets. The data suggests a broadly positive session, with gains recorded across key indices and several key currency pairs. Let's kick off with the German DAX 40, which has seen a 0.77% rise to close the session at $43.10. The index has now broken through the 42.60 level we cited in our previous analysis, indicating a possible shift towards more optimism in the German market. It's worth noting that the index has also breached its 50-day moving average, a technical level that may indicate a new uptrend. Moving on to France, the CAC 40 has also posted significant gains, rising by 1.25% this session to close at $46.10. This is in line with our expectations for the French market, which has been performing well in recent weeks. Notably, the index has now surpassed its 200-day moving average, suggesting a return to positive sentiment. Now, let's turn our attention to the currency markets. The euro to US dollar has seen a 0.22% gain to close at $1.1628, a level that may now provide support in the near term. We expect the dollar to remain relatively stable in the coming days, with little in the way of major US economic data due for release. In contrast, the euro to pound sterling has seen a more modest 0.13% gain to close at $0.8652. As we've highlighted in recent analysis, this pair remains an important component of our market view, and its performance will be worth closely monitoring over the coming weeks. Turning to commodities, gold has seen a 0.75% gain to close the session at $4,500.30. This is consistent with our expectations, and we continue to view the precious metal as a safe haven asset that may find support in times of economic uncertainty. Moving on to the outlook, it's clear that European markets are in a positive position, with gains recorded across key indices and significant support evident in both currency and commodity markets. The German DAX 40's break above its 50-day moving average and the CAC 40 surpassing of its 200-day moving average are key technical developments that suggest the market is shifting towards a more positive sentiment. That being said, there are several risks to watch in the coming days, including the ongoing situation in the Ukraine and the potential for further rate hikes from the European Central Bank. As the market continues to navigate these challenges, we expect volatility to remain elevated in the short term. In summary, tonight's European market breakdown suggests a broadly positive session, with key indices and currency pairs recording gains. However, we remain cautious, recognizing the risks that continue to hang over the market. Monitor the institutional order flow with us. MacroStream Desk is live 24/7 on Twitch and YouTube. Chapters: Midnight, Session Overview. 0:40, General Sentiment Across European Markets. 4:25, Equities, the DAX 40 and CAC 40. 10:50, Currency Markets. 14:20, Commodities, Gold. 21:15, Outlook and Market Risks. 26:45, Conclusion.